Hi guys! I'm so excited to be here to make this video because I really do miss you guys. It's been so long I don't make a videos and I missed you. So I'm so sorry. I've been work so hard and been really tough in the work, but we made it all through and we survived. From where I work is very high risk, but we make everyone smile, so that's all important. So anyway, I hope you guys all doing fine and ready for your Christmas coming soon. And I know there's a little bad news about tier 4 in the UK, and it's gonna be locked down on the Boxing Day. It's sad, but you know what, it's the best time to enjoy your Christmas day with your family. So bear it, just kick all the COVID and just enjoy with your family. All right, anyway, so today's video, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of one of the bag that I purchased. So hopefully you like it. You can guess what it is and comment below. And if you do love my videos, please click the bottom. I forgot how to say it already. Anyway, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, or you can follow me on Instagram at the same name as this. And yeah, so yeah, without further ado, let's start it. So before we start to open the bags, it's actually kind of husband's choice of a color, because I wanted a red one, but then I do have a red one, but I want something from Dior that nice and red, but I couldn't afford it. It's too expensive, and I have some other things to buy. I need to buy everything, everyone, so everyone is happy. So I thought I get something different. And then I asked my husband, and my husband said, you should go for black. Black is sexy. So yeah, so I decided to go for a black. So here we go. So here's the box. I already take it off from the box when it arrived. So I've opened it just for the Instagram, and I just quick look, just want to see how it looks like. So I have another YSL box there, but it's a black color, and I'm quite surprised that to see this there's a silver, so it's quite nice. I love silver. I like bling bling bling. So anyway, let's open it. Excited. Oops, sorry. Oh, something flew off. Just gonna throw that in the bag. And yeah, it comes with the Saint Laurent card booklet, something, and it comes with the receipts and everything. So here we go. Yeah, black all black. So right, here we go. So I'm just gonna put aside this box over here. Oh my god. Ta-da-dun, ta-da! I hope you like this, guys, because I really love it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, she is so classy, beautiful, and yeah, I really love it. So I forgot the name of it. I think it's a Cassandra top mini in a crocodile leather. Wow, with the gold hardware. I love gold hardware. You know what, why I choose this bag is because it's so versatile. I could do a sling bag, I could do a handle, I could do a shoulder, and I could make it just like that, like a clutch. So it's quite beautiful. And you know what is the best that make me want to buy this bag? It's because of this. Check this out. Cool, right? It's so sexy if you open that. So anyway, let's open up. Oh my god, so beautiful. It's lovely. And this one is detachable, so perfect. It's really perfect. So I'm just gonna show you. Do you want me to take off? Oh, you know what, I'll take off everything so you can see properly. If you hear the boys in the background, that's my boys. Just woke up and making noise already. So yeah, this is the handle. I mean the strap. I'm gonna show you. Focus. And let me close that one first. Oh my god, so beautiful. So that's the front. I love the leather. So that's the side. That's the back. And got a pocket in the back. I think would be it's a bit tight. It's because it's brand new, but I think a phone would fit in here, no problem. That's the other side. And the good thing about is the 4 feet. I love that so much. So let me open it for you so you can see. It's a quite tiny bag. I show you later for how it looks like to my body, so you know how it is for your own size. So here is the, I don't know if you could see that, Saint Laurent Paris. It is quite hard. Paper here. More paper. As you can see, there is a 2 compartment inside with a small pocket, and it's a full leather inside. And their small pocket says Yves Saint Laurent Paris, made in, could I see? I don't wanna scratch. Made in Italy. So yeah, it's really full leather with a burgundy color inside. Oh my god, so beautiful. I love it. And you can also adjust the strap. 1, 2, well, 2 only. 3 actually, sorry, 3. I'm so in love with this. I'm gonna show you how it looks like on my body, but first I'm gonna show you what's gonna fit in inside. I don't have much anything here, but even though it's a small bag, you can put a lot of it. So let's start opening the beautiful, sexy open. Because there's a 2 compartment and then they are almost similar size to get in, so it would be no problem. So anyway, I'll take my card holder from Dolce & Gabbana. I love sparkle. I'm planning to buy the YSL card holder in black, so I'm gonna order that maybe later. So I'm just gonna put it, you know what, I like to put it in the back, so I'm just gonna put it in the back. Easy access. Fits so well. So I'm gonna need my car key house holder from Louis Vuitton. Put there. I normally bring my compact, lipstick, and a lip gloss. I'm just gonna put them in the pouch from Dior, from the cosmetic pouch, and I'm just gonna put it in the front. I hope I'm not scratched it yet. And I normally have the perfume, or sometimes just this small perfume over here, but because this is also guys, this is a gift from Dior. I always order from Dior a makeup, and they give me a gift with the passport cover and with this perfume. This is actually refillable, so you just press it one of the perfume and it will fill up another perfume. So it's kind of cool, isn't it? So that would fit in here. And then sanitizer. This is quite big, 100 ml but I normally would bring the smallest one. So but anyway, I'm just gonna show you what can fit in this bag. So that's the bag. I can actually squish in this perfume over here, so I will have a space for my phone at the back here. So as you can see, it's still plenty of space in there. I don't know what else. What do you think? Sunglasses? No, my sunglasses is there and I don't want to move around. You know what? I got this Dior Capture Total. I'll put that one there. What else? I got another cream Dior. I'm just gonna put it there. Oh my god, that's a lot of push. Take it out because I don't want to scratch my bag. Maybe Christian Dior mascara. Yep, fits in well. Let's say just a tie for your hair. So that's it. It's still plenty of space actually. I'm just not ready to do proper organized just because it's supposed to be a quick video. So anyway, that's the bag, and let's see if it's closed. Oops, it doesn't close. I don't want to push just now, but I know myself I can fit in a lot of stuff in here. So yeah, that can close. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how it looks my body. So I want to tell you guys, I lose weight since I work because it's been really hard work. So I lose weight, I think about 5 kilo. It's a lot of kilo. And I used to be 16 or 18, but now I am 14 or 12. So it's happy. And let me show you this one. This is before is like so tight up here, but now look at that, so loose. So I'm losing weight and I'm happy, so happy. Anyway, I am between 12 to 14 size in the UK, and my height is 5.5 or 5.4, somewhere like that. So I'm gonna show you a quick video how it looks like in my body. Sorry for my very poor, unpreparable videos. So that is the size, just right in my hips. And if I go in the front, just right there. It's kind of perfect for me. And if you want it to be in the shoulder, just right there in my hips. Right there. And if you want it to be just in your arms, it's perfect as well. Oh my god, love it. I love you, baby. It's quite alright. I need you, babe. Alright, so you see already. And please let me know if you what do you think about this bag. And for me personally, I love it, and I am so looking forward to wear it today or so on. I've actually have another YSL, which is the denim blue, dark blue, and I think it's an envelope medium size. And I think this is since 2017. I have been loving it so much. I love the leather is very sturdy, and it's so strong, and I've been enjoying since then. That's why I get another YSL, because I know their quality is really good. So yeah, I'm happy, and I'm looking forward to do more videos because I have bought something from Chanel. And so that's it for the video for today. Thank you so much guys for being patient on watching my video, and I would really appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. And if you can, please follow me on Instagram, because I think I will start posting anything every day, something for luxury bags, shoes, fashion, sparkle, anything that I'm gonna try because this is more like me and I'm enjoying it. So yeah, and thank you guys, and I hope to see you again for my next video because I'm gonna do unboxing another gifts, another luxury from Chanel, and I'm so excited to open that, but I can't wear it today, so I would not open it. It's only the things that I'm gonna wear. So anyway, have fun and wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and I see you again soon. Love you. Bye bye.